Welcome back to Coding Breaks. So in this session we are going to see about text overflow. So we are also having text overflow, word wrap, word break and all. So all this we will see in this session. So before that I want to give you a simple example. So here I am writing in a single line like this. So I am going on writing in a single line. So it will become a bit messy, and without any line breaks it will become a big messy thing here. So in order to avoid this, we are going to word break. And also this word break is useful when you don't want to show the remaining text. You want to use, but you don't want to show the remaining text. This is useful in text overflow. So how you will do all this? So let us see that. I'm going to show you a simple example. Before that, I'm going to show you properties. So this is the text align last. This text align last is used to align the last line of the text. If you want to align the last line, this property will be used. Next, text emphasis. This text emphasis is used to emphasize text and color. Both the text and color. If you want emphasis, you can go with this property. Text overflow, we have seen this, no? Word break, if you want to break the word based on the word or based on any symbol, you can break it. Word wrap, it is used to wrap the content on the next line. It is used to break the line and wrap into the next line. So we will show that we will do it practically so that it is easy to understand. I'm going to copy the simple code. See here, I have written original text. So this is a text, and this is the text other paragraph I have written. Two paragraphs I have written here for you with the same content. And this is a different content, and I have given text 1 and text 2, both the classes names. So for the text 1 I have written the styles are word space no wrap. So here I have written no wrap. That means it will not go to the next line. Width, the width of the this text is 100 px. I have written. Let me reduce so that you can see the difference. I'm going to reduce it as 200. And border. So the border of the line I have given it as 1 px and overflow is hidden. I have given overflow hidden. Text overflow clip. So before that, let us see the output so that it will be better understand to you. So I'm going to show you the output. So see here, for the border I have given to this, and I have given text overflow clip, right? So you can see the code. So here I have given border 1px. This is the border. And overflow is hidden. Actual code is hello all, welcome. You can see the code here. Hello all, welcome to Coding Bricks. Here you will learn Python, HTML, CSS. This is the original code actually. Original text. This is the original text. But here, since I have mentioned here 200 px, you can see that the width I have mentioned 200 px. And overflow I have mentioned it as hidden. So it is showing only 200 till 200 width only it is showing. If you want to show like 500 px, you can see it again 500 px. Then you can see full. Again I want to extend the like text. If I want to extend the text, you will see still difference. Here I will show you one. See, I have extended the text with GGGG like this. So it will not appear here because we have mentioned the word. So this is how you will go with text overflow clip. Then text overflow ellipses. What is this text overflow ellipses? You will see the difference also. You will see the difference now. I will copy this. Here CSS I have written, right? So I will write here GGG. You can see. So here you can see the 3 dotted lines over, right? That means you can Your GGG is not visible here. You can see here, even though if you give the width, you will not observe, because here already 3 dots is mentioned here. You can see the 3 dots. That means it is indicated to the user that, yes, now you can see it is indicated to the user that still something text is there. You can see like you will get with the help of read more with 3 dots. That means you can still you want to read something. If you click on that, you will go with the other text, right? But here you cannot see. You will go with the 3 dots only. That is what text overflow ellipses will do. So here I can still arrange the width of this to 1000. Now you can see GGGGGG. But even though you will see, now you can see like this. That means if you want to show some ellipses like dots, you can go with this. With the help of ellipses, you can hide the text. Next, coming to the word breaking. If you want to break the word, how you will break? Here is a sample code. I'm going to copy this. So here I have written text. This is the text. Hello all, welcome to Coding Tricks. You will learn all this. Then line break at any character. So you will give here p class equal to text2. Here are the two names of this. So hello all, welcome to Coding Tricks. Here you will learn Python, HTML, CSS, and I have written the text. For this text I have written the styles over here. So width is 140, border, word break is keep all. So here you will see all the things. Here break all. That means here you will break the things. So how you will break, you will see now. So here I have copied this. Okay, now you can see. Hello all, welcome to Coding Tricks. Here you will learn Python, HTML. Here line break at -. Here line break at any character. That means what you are observing here is, see here at any character you can break the line. Here Python is not yet finished. That means the full word you cannot see over here. Here you will break only after the what is it? After the word you finished. That means if the word is not fit here, it will go to the next line. That is what this means. Line break at any character. If here the line is finished, then it will go to the next line. So this is how you will break. So you can see the code again. So here you will say word break. After the word you will break. Keep all. So keep all means you will keep all the word. Break all. At any time you can break if the width is finished. So this is how you can break with the word break. The next one is word wrapping. If you want to wrap the word, you will use word wrap break word. Just now you have seen like that. Then specify word breaking rules. So how can you specify the word breaking rules? So let us see with a simple example. So here I have written two lines. Hello all, welcome to Coding Tricks. Let's learn CSS. Here you will see the line of this paragraph will break it at -. So first we will see the output difference. Then see here with the hello all, welcome to Coding Tricks. Just like the before example. See here. After this line is not yet finished. That means this word is not yet finished. Even though it is break. Here with the help of this hyphen this, it is break. That means it will break at hyphen this. You can see the code over here first. Here what I have written, word break, break all, word break, keyboard. Just the above example with the colors I have shown you with the specific words. So this is how you will break the words. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.